a big blow to Operation Tutula, as the High Court in Johannesburg rules that Operation Tutula cannot prevent foreign nationals from accessing public facilities such as the healthcare facilities and the education facilities, which are the schools. So for years, the anti-immigrant group Operation Tutula has taken a defiant stance, attempting to bar foreign nationals from accessing South Africa's public service, most notably hospitals and clinics. Their mission, they claimed, was to enforce the law